one of the longest serving coaches in South African football, longest serving in terms of being at a single club, which is Coach Steve Barker, who has been at Stellenbosch for 8 years, leaves Stellenbosch in a shocking move. It was a shock on Friday night. Some of us, we discovered that Coach Steve Barker has been announced by Simba SC of Tanzania as their new head coach. You would know that at the beginning of the season, Simba SC, the Tanzanian Giants, had Fadlu Davids as their coach. But then Fadlu Davids left them to join Raja Casablanca out in Morocco. By the way, he's going there to Morocco for his second stance because first he was there as the assistant coach to former Orlando Pirates coach Joseph Zimbabwe.